Lights inside RVs, especially older RVs, tend to be really pretty ugly and just kind of like light from overhead. So we wanted to add something that was a little more interesting to use on our dining room table, and we wanted it to work when the generator was off. So I'm going to show you how I did that in this video. So the first thing I did was install an outlet right below the table that has a cigarette lighter plug. So this is a DC power outlet. And then I cut off the old 2-prong adapter, the one that you would typically use inside your house or to connect to 120, and replaced it with a cigarette lighter plug that connects to 12 volt. And then I took out the old light bulb before plugging it into 12 volts, and I replaced it with a new light bulb that is a 12 volt light bulb. So you definitely can't be mixing the voltage on the bulbs. All of these pieces will be down below in the description, and buying from those links supports my channel. And the last thing we needed to do was to install a Velcro pad on the bottom of the light. And I actually had to fill the base of the light with great stuff so that it would be able to hold steady. Otherwise, that Velcro pad just would have ripped off the bottom fabric of this light. And I installed these rubber feet on the edges because it was just wobbling too much from just using the Velcro alone. Pop that on there. And even here, as it is, it's easy to, the Velcro is so strong, it's easy to kind of rip off the countertops. You got to hold that down when you're removing the light, because we have to remove the light to be able to put the table down to turn it into a bed. Now, isn't that just so much more homey?